Imagine a computer so small, it fits in the palm of your hand. It's so powerful it makes the $3,000 workstation you bought last year look like a plastic toy. For over a decade, the Mac Mini was just the budget Mac. It was the one you bought when you couldn't afford a Pro or when you just needed a cheap box to run a server in your closet. But something fundamental changed in late 2024 with the M for redesign. And now in 2026, Apple is about to pull the trigger on a device that shouldn't legally exist. We are talking about the Mac Mini M5. This isn't just a spec bump. This is the first time Apple is using a technology they call Fusion architecture in a desktop this small. This is the Mac Studio killer we have been waiting for. It is finally here to disrupt everything we know about desktop computing. There is a reason the leaks are coming out of the supply chain with such intensity right now. Professional video editors are actually holding off on buying the expensive Mac Studio because the M5 Mac Mini is about to destroy the very idea of a budget computer. Think about the sheer audacity of what is happening here. While the rest of the industry is struggling to keep up with power-hungry chips that require massive cooling and giant power bricks, Apple is going the opposite direction. They are shrinking the brain and expanding its power. The M5 chip isn't just another iteration. It is the first consumer chip built on a refined nanometer process that pushes the absolute boundaries of physics. But here's the part that will make you stop and stare. The GPU. The latest leaks suggest a massive 45% jump in graphics performance over the already fast M4. That isn't just a generational improvement. That is a generational leap. If you are a gamer, a 3D artist, or someone who lives in Final Cut Pro, that 45% is the difference between waiting for a render and being finished before you even realize it. This puts the base Mac Mini in direct competition with dedicated desktop graphics cards. It is a level of power that simply shouldn't fit in a box this small. The core of this revolution is the M5 Pro and its Fusion architecture. This is a state-of-the-art design that connects to dies into a single system on a chip for the first time. Apple is bringing this high-bandwidth, low-latency advanced packaging to the Mac Mini lineup. We are looking at a chip that packs up to 18 CPU cores, featuring what Apple calls supercores. These are the world's fastest CPU cores for single-threaded tasks. But they didn't stop there. They removed the traditional efficiency cores in the Pro models and replaced them with 12 all-new performance cores optimized for multi-threaded Pro workloads. This results in a 30% boost in CPU performance compared to the M4 Pro. For the user, this means your computer doesn't just feel fast. It feels like it's predicting your next move. Whether you're compiling millions of lines of code or layering 100 tracks in a logic session, the M5 Mini handles it without breaking a sweat. However, the real headline is the AI performance. Apple is positioning the M5 Mac Mini as the central AI brain of your home. The new GPU architecture includes a dedicated neural accelerator in every single core. This allows for a 4x jump in AI performance compared to the M4. We are talking about running large language models locally on your desk with speeds that make cloud-based AI feel like a dial-up connection. Image generation is up to 8x faster than the original M1 Pro. This shift means your data stays private and your AI tools work instantly, even without an internet connection. This is the Apple Intelligence endgame. They want every Mac Mini to be a local supercomputer capable of real-time video upscaling and AI-driven coding. To support this massive processing power, Apple has overhauled the internal storage and connectivity. The base storage has finally been doubled to 512 gigabytes, and the new SSD controller is a game changer. We are seeing read and write speeds up to 14.5 gigabytes per second. That is nearly double the speed of the previous generation. It effectively turns your storage into an extension of your RAM. Connectivity is also future-proofed with the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 for the Pro models. Thunderbolt 5 is now standard, offering 120 gigabits per second speeds that can drive multiple 8K displays and massive RAID arrays. This makes the Mac Mini not just a small computer, but the most versatile hub in Apple's entire ecosystem. But there is a massive catch that everyone is talking about: the Texas factor. Apple has officially confirmed they are bringing Mac Mini production to a new high-tech facility in Houston, Texas. This is one of the biggest shifts in Apple's supply chain history. Moving to the US might help Apple avoid international tariffs, but it comes with a cost. Higher labor costs in the US mean the price has to go somewhere. This is likely why we are hearing rumors of a significant price increase. The days of the $599 Mac Mini might be coming to an end. We could see the base model jump to $699 or even $799. It's a bitter pill to swallow. But when you look at the performance, it's still a bargain. Can a device this small actually handle the heat? The M4 redesign was tiny, measuring just 5 by 5 inches. If the M5 is significantly more powerful, how does it stay cool? The answer lies in a hidden internal redesign of the thermal pillars. This involves 2.5D packaging technology that separates the CPU and GPU into different physical tiles. This spreads the heat across the entire chip surface instead of creating one massive hotspot in the center. It allows the Mac Mini to maintain pro-level speeds for hours without ever sounding like a jet engine taking off. It is silent, deadly, and incredibly efficient. In my opinion, the Mac Mini M5 represents the proification of the entry-level Mac. It is no longer a budget compromise. It is a legitimate powerhouse that fits in your backpack. It is small enough to hide behind a monitor, but powerful enough to replace a Mac Studio for 90% of professional users. If you have been waiting to upgrade your desk setup, the wait is officially over. The M5 Mac Mini is the new king of the desktop. It bridges the gap between consumer accessibility and professional-grade performance in a way no other computer has done before. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.